Hi all, I am Priyanka Shah. Welcome to Workouts While Working. Our last video regarding breathing techniques was very much successful in the sense I have got lots of comments on that, and I have got a feedback that I should be extending the video for incorporating more breathing techniques. So today we are going to do that. We'll be seeing the breathing technique to boost our immunity power. So currently, as you all are aware, we are into the India is into lockdown 5 or unlock 1.0 as they call it, and many of the people have started joining their offices and started their work. So this might be the case that people are going out and they are like more prone to the spreading of the coronavirus. That is the reason we should be taking care of our immunity system very well. So today we are going to see these pranayam techniques or maybe breathing techniques which are going to boost our immunity power. So let's begin. But before that, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Press the bell icon as well so that you will get notified whenever there will be new video. Okay, and follow and like Facebook page as well. So let's begin. Again, we'll start from the basic one. The first one is a deep breathing one, or it is also known as Bhastrika Pranayam. So basically, what we are doing into this is we will be just taking a deep breath, say for 5 seconds, and then we will be inhaling and exhaling for the same amount of time. We have also seen this in our earlier video. So we'll start with that. You can do that for, say, if you are just beginner, you can do that say for 15 seconds or as much time as you are comfortable. Sit in your correct posture, just sit comfortably. You can sit anywhere, you can sit on chair, anywhere, on sofa. You can also sit on yoga mat if that suits you. And since we are doing all these things while working, so I am sitting on chair. So sit comfortably, just don't slouch, and make sure you are upright. And then we'll be doing the deep breathing. 5 seconds inhaling, 5 seconds exhaling. Okay, you can close your eyes if you're comfortable. If you're not comfortable with closing your eyes, that's up to you. Okay. Once you are very used to this, you can do this very faster. So who are doing this regularly, if you are practicing this, it feels like you are doing this for say 2.5 seconds or 2.5 seconds. Okay, so that is the way. But you can start with 5 seconds one. So 5 seconds, so you are taking the deep breath, inhaling and the exhaling. Okay. So that is the Bhastrika one. Second is kind of what we will say it as belly breathing. We are going to see 3 versions of it. One is very famous, or it is also known as Kapalbhati. That is one thing. We will be also be seeing the breathe of fire, and we'll also see the version of lion's breath into this. We are going to start with Kapalbhati as it is known already worldwide. Like, you have to focus on exhaling. In all these 3 variations, we will be focusing on exhaling of the breath. So we'll be doing this in the first version. We'll be doing this using our nose only. So I am going to exhale. Okay, I'll just close this so that I'm not distracted. I am exhaling through my nose. So powerful, or this will give you instant energy if you're doing it maybe for say 15 seconds. Then you're increasing your time to say half minute, 1 minute. You can do this for 2 minutes, and you'll actually see you are getting that instant boost of energy. You'll feel warm, and actually if you're continuing, you'll be actually sweating. So that was one thing. it is said that if you are doing this regularly, you can actually get rid of 99% of diseases. Okay, I'll just say that yeah, you can relieve all your stress and you can get instant boost in your immunity power. Okay, so that was one version of it. Second version is basically what we are going to see is breath of fire. So the same thing, in earlier version we were exhaling through our nose. In this version we will be exhaling through our mouths. So what I am going to do is I am focusing on exhalation, but I am doing it from mouth. If you are not comfortable, you can close your eyes, and if you are not comfortable doing it in public, maybe at your desk, you can find some private place where you can do this. Okay, so that was it. That was like where we were exhaling using our mouth. So that was breath of fire. And the third version is lion's breath. So as you can imagine from the name of it, so basically we are going to exhale, but we will be sticking our tongue out. So what I am going to do, I am not focusing again on my inhaling, I am focusing on my exhaling, and I am doing that sound. Okay, so just focus on that. It will you'll feel it's kind of funny, but again this is very energetic. It is going to instantly boost your energy, and you'll be feeling that boost in your immunity power as well. Okay, so maybe late in the afternoon, around 3 or 4 o'clock, if you're feeling that drop in your energy, do this for 1 minute at your office and you're ready to go. So let's do that. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So these were the quite 3 version for the same thing, belly breathing. So in all of these 3, you are actually using your breathing from belly. So that's why they are version of belly breathing. Then next we are going to see is Anulom Vilom or alternate nostrils breathing. We have also seen this technique in our last video. Again, this is very popular one and a simple one, we can say. So as the name suggests, what we are going to do is we are going to just breathe in inhale from our one nostril, and we will be exhaling from another one. Okay, so I'll be like, you have to close your one nostril using your thumb, and then you'll be inhaling from other nostril, and then you'll be pressing your other nostril and exhaling from the another one. Okay, so let's begin. Again, this mudra. Okay, so that was it. That was Anulom Vilom. It is said that one of the nostril is symbol of the sun, and another is moon. So they are actually balancing your right brain and left brain as well. So that's going to give you instant boost in your immunity. So that was the one. And before we actually end, we will be doing the Bhramari. We have seen one variation of this in your facial yoga as well. So Bhramari is basically what you are going to do. You will be closing your ears using your thumb, and then you will be putting your palm on your eyes, and you will be doing the sound Om. Or if you are not very, if you don't want to do that, maybe you can just do the humming sound of it. Okay, so whatever suits you. So just close your ears first. Okay, I'm not able to hear anything. And then close your eyes, and then do the humming sound or Om, whatever suits you. So I'll be doing humming sound here. So that was it. We have seen the variation in facial yoga as well. You will feel the vibrations, and entire face you can see, feel those vibrations. So I guess that's it for today. If you are actually practicing these breathing techniques daily for few minutes, these are very simple to do, and you can find time anytime. You can do it anywhere. And if you are doing it regularly daily, you are going to definitely increase your immunity power, which is a must these days. Okay, so thank you again, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like, share, comment, and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to YouTube channel if you are not done already.